Hey everybody, Willie here at InfoComm 2026. Just wanted to introduce a new service that we have called OnePlan. OnePlan is a conglomeration of multiple of our services that have already existed and now we've put them all together. So we have slammed in together Control4 Assist, Parasol. Both of these services are both for our dealers as well as the end customers, 24/7, 365, brand agnostic remote support. We also are adding in our ARC, which is our wireless cloud controller for access networks, access points, and our core networks, which is a full design suite service for networking. The dealer can come to us, they can enter in a little bit of information, when we will kick back to them in a very short amount of time, a full quote, a line drawing, an AP layout, and even a heat map. All these services, then once they're sent back to us, we will proceed to program the entire network for you, delivering it to you turnkey on a silver platter. And then using these services, we will support both the dealer and your customer for any needs that they may have. So check us out at our booth or visit us at adiglobal.com.